Hello succulent enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Stapelia gigantea, a captivating and unique succulent species that brings a touch of curiosity to your succulent collection. But before we embark on this succulent journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the fascinating world of succulents. Stapelia gigantea, often known as the Carrion flower or African starfish flower, is a fascinating and unusual succulent plant native to South Africa. What sets Stapelia gigantea apart from others is its peculiar and somewhat eerie appearance. The plant produces large, star-shaped flowers that can measure up to a foot in diameter. These flowers are covered in hairy structures and have a reddish-brown color with intricate patterns resembling the texture of rotting meat. Even more intriguing, the flowers emit a strong odor reminiscent of carrion or decaying flesh, which serves to attract flies and other pollinators. This adaptation is a remarkable example of nature's mimicry, as it lures its insects in for pollination by imitating the scent of a carcass. This succulent thrives in bright indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces with ample sunlight or outdoor areas with partial sun. It prefers well-draining succulent potting mix and should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. When companion planting with Stapelia gigantea, consider other succulent species that thrive in similar arid conditions, such as euphorbia or agave varieties. These selections can create a visually captivating and water-efficient succulent garden. Its unusual appearance and unique flowers make it an excellent choice for succulent enthusiasts and collectors. This succulent adds a touch of curiosity and intrigue to your living space, succulent garden, or decorative arrangements, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of succulents. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your succulent collection flourish. Farewell and happy succulent growing.